Have you ever felt like your computer was holding you back? Like the processing power was struggling to keep up with the speed of your actual ideas? When I first started testing the new iMac, I was prepared for a lot of hype, but the reality of how this machine operates is genuinely impressive. It's not just a visual upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in how an all-in-one desktop computer should function in a modern workspace. The whole experience, from unboxing to first use, feels incredibly refined and purposeful. I spent last week running my old setup, a tower PC with a separate monitor, and the frustration was palpable. The cables were a mess, the heat output was noticeable, and the lag when switching between applications was enough to break my concentration. Dealing with that constant bottleneck, the physical struggle of managing peripherals and the sheer sluggishness of the UI was genuinely disruptive. You spend so much time staring at a screen, and when that screen feels like it's fighting you, it drains your creative energy before you even start working. What struck me immediately was the sheer clarity of the 24-inch Retina display. The colors pop, giving your work a vibrancy you simply cannot ignore. Then there's the M4 chip. This isn't just faster, it handles complex tasks, like running video edits alongside multiple browser tabs, with noticeable ease. It feels like the computer simply anticipates what you need. I also really appreciated how the system is built for Apple Intelligence, offering privacy safeguards that make you feel secure while working on sensitive material. And the 12MP center stage camera makes video calls look professional, even if you shift around a bit. Speaking of connections, having 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports means I can connect my entire workflow without scrambling for dongles. Now, I know competitors sell machines with similar specs, sometimes priced around $2,500, but this model brings you top-tier performance and build quality for a much more accessible price point. If I have to point out a minor drawback, it's that while it looks fantastic, the storage is fixed, meaning if you need massive expansion, you are limited to the box you buy. Picture this, it's 3 p.m. on a Tuesday. You're finally tackling that complex presentation for a client. The light hits the desk, and the blue casing of the iMac sits there, a clean, steady presence. You effortlessly switch from reviewing data sheets to sketching out concepts, all on that vibrant screen. The sound from the 6 speakers fills the room with crystal-clear audio, making the entire process feel smooth and uninterrupted. It's the feeling of pure, unhindered productivity. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.